Hi, my name's Kelsey Korberg with Kane & Scott. I'm a bankruptcy attorney here. Today I'm here to talk about IRS scams. Often I receive panicked phone calls and emails from my clients freaking out that the IRS called them and has threatened to arrest them for owing tax debt and not paying it. After looking into each of my clients' situations, more often than not I realize that it's simply a scam that they have fallen victim to. Luckily, I'm able to stop them before anything happens, but I'm here today to help encourage other people to tell the difference between an IRS scam or an actual IRS request for payment of taxes. The number one sign that it's a scam is if it's a phone call or an email. The IRS is not going to call you, and they're especially not going to email you. I can't remember the last time the IRS called me. I think it's never. If you receive a tax bill in the mail by the IRS, that's probably real. But a phone call threatening to arrest you or any emails asking for private information, it's just not them. The IRS is going to use U.S. mail to send you tax bills. If you call them in response to that tax bill and leave a message and they call you back, that's probably the IRS. But you'll be able to tell the difference. It definitely won't include any threats, and it'll probably start with some mail. That leads into the second sign that it's an IRS scam. The second sign is any threats. The IRS is not going to threaten to put you behind bars. They're not going to claim to have a warrant out for your arrest if you don't pay them in that moment. They're just not going to do that. They're going to be respectful and kind. They have a level of integrity they have to live within, and promise you they're not going to threaten any tax fraud or anything like that. The third sign that it might be a scam is if they request personal information. Think about this. The IRS knows where you live. They know your name, they know your birthday, they know your social security number. You don't need to provide that for them. They already know it. They know how to find you. They will send you something in the mail. Don't respond to any email or phone call with any of that personal information, because trust me, they don't need it. Just hang up and hope that they find you via U.S. mail. The fourth sign is if they request a payment on the phone. The IRS is going to reach out to you with a tax bill, but they're definitely not going to call and demand payment in that moment. They're not going to try and control the method of payment. There are different ways that you can pay your taxes. They're not going to demand a prepaid card, a wire transfer, or a credit card number. Those are signs that it's a scam. And then lastly, the last sign that it might be an IRS scam is if they demand that the amount that they are accusing you of is the only amount that you owe. That's not going to ever be the case, because you always have the right to appeal a tax debt, and you have the right to question it. If you feel like you filed your taxes this year and you got a refund and there's no way you owe taxes, you're probably right. Your gut is right. You don't owe taxes. You would know if you might owe taxes. So if you feel like you don't owe anything and they keep swearing that you do, hang up. Hang up. Instead, in all these situations, go to irs.gov, irs.gov, look up a contact number for the IRS there and call that number. Call the actual IRS, and if they do have a file on you, they'll pull it up and let you know. But otherwise, they'll tell you, nope, you're good, you don't owe any tax debt, and then you have that peace of mind knowing that it was just a scam. Hopefully this helps some people. I know it can be scary and confusing, but we're there to help you. If you're one of our clients or a future client, reach out to us and we'll help you know if you really do owe taxes and if bankruptcy can be a way to help with that tax debt too. Have a great day. Thanks.